What is up, beautiful people? In this video, we're going to learn how to fix gaping along the zipper area of a skirt. So if you have excess bunching up there, I'm going to show you what to do, and trust me, you'll be able to do this yourself. So you can see the transformation, snatched and looking peng. If this is something you're interested in, please do keep on watching and let us begin. What you do is get your skirt and loosen out the zip so that we can shape that back. I'm so frustrated, but I won't cry. Nah, you are so stuck in your ways. Don't know how much I can take. Some say I gotta be patient, cause Rome wasn't built in a day. The way you think is very archaic. Everything you say is outdated. I guess you didn't know, times are moving on. Think it's alright, but you're dead wrong. So smell the coffee, wake up and face it. You picked the wrong day, picked the wrong day. I think you better leave, I think you better leave. This is no game, this is no game. You're embarrassing me, you're embarrassing me. Why you gotta drain my energy? I try to overlook it, but you're testing me. I'm just trying to save my dignity. So now we're going to turn this inside out. And then you're going to put the zippers together this way. So just match up the two zipper allowance together, the left and the right zipper allowance together. So once you've matched it up together, use a pin just to hold. Great. So once you've pinned them up this way, what we are focusing on is around the waist area here. So you're going to be removing about 1 inch away from here. Okay. So I'll measure 1 inch away. That's just about there. And then I'm going to connect that 1 inch into this hip side here, like slant it out. You can use your ruler. That's how you take care of the um shaping along the zipper part. So you can see what I mean. From here, you're going to just slant it in this way, okay, to take care of any ball that is not letting it relax properly along the back side there. Okay, so that means that your new zipper allowance will now be from here this way. That's how you now sew the zipper allowance. I hope you understand what I mean. So when we're going to be putting in our zip, we're going to start this way, move it in, and let's pin up. Still going to be that 1 inch. So just like this. You're wasting my time, yeah. You are so stuck in your ways. Don't know how much I can take. Some say I gotta be patient, cause Rome wasn't built in a day. The way you think is very archaic. So this is what it's going to be. It automatically addresses that gaping on the waist that was excess, okay? So that's what that shaping will do. And once you're done with that, put your band back, sew in your fastener, the closure for the back, and then you're done. So let's go and install the zip. You can also watch this video here to see how I install the zip for any kind of project I'm working on. Skirts, blouses, dresses. This is the method I use. So I'll go right ahead to install the zipper, finish up the band properly, fixing
the closure, and we're through with the tutorial.
Everything you say is outdated. I guess you didn't know. Times are moving on. Think it's alright, but you're dead wrong. So smell the coffee, wake up and face it. You picked the wrong day. You picked the wrong day. I think you better leave. I think you better leave. This is no game. No, it's not a game. You're embarrassing me. You're embarrassing me. You picked the wrong day. You picked the wrong day. I think you better leave. I think you better leave. This is no game. No, no.
Okay, zipper has been installed now. After the zipper has been installed, we'll just go ahead to properly finish up the band well again.
Oh, I wish you had an open mind. I wish you didn't have an ego. But we're not living in a fairy tale. So I'm gonna tell you this for free. For free. You picked the wrong day. Said you picked the wrong day.
Okay, so this is ready. It is set and done. I will just go ahead to put in the fastener. This will fix any gaping you have at the back of your skirt, and it will allow the skirt sit smoothly, sweetly, and give it that perfect shape on the waistline. Okay, if you have any questions, please do let me know. So click this link to see how I made the top I'll be wearing with this skirt. Also, for more detailed explanation on how to install the zipper, you can also watch this video. And we'll see you in the next tutorial. Stay safe, God bless you all. Bye.